Exploring ExtraFax for Domino, Barcode Generation and Usage Overview. When an organization frequently receives faxes that are based on standardized forms, for example, application forms or credit approval requests, leveraging the advanced feature of ExtraFax to create and recognize barcodes will benefit that organization greatly. ExtraFax supports two kinds of barcodes, 3 of 9 barcodes and QR codes. Both barcode types can be created within ExtraFax using the built-in barcode generators. To generate a 3 of 9 barcode, select the Barcode Generator view and then create a new document. Specify the 3 of 9 barcode string that will be used to generate the barcode. You may also consider to specify a description. Click Save and Close to generate the barcode. Once the barcode has been generated, it can be placed into a standardized form as seen in this example. Any incoming faxes that include that barcode can be automatically recognized by ExtraFax and routed seamlessly. To create a QR code, select the QR code generator view and then create a new document. On the Details tab, specify the QR code string that will be used to generate the QR code. You may also consider to specify a description. Click Save and Close to generate the QR code. As we saw with the 3 of 9 barcode, similarly with the QR code, once it has been generated, it can be placed into a standardized form, as seen in this example. Any incoming faxes which include that QR code can be automatically recognized by ExtraFax and routed seamlessly. Now that barcodes have been generated, let's take a quick look at how easy it is to create an inbound routing document that references one of the barcodes. In this example, an inbound routing document was linked to the QR code medical records that we created a bit earlier. On the Fax tab, we can also see that the incoming fax based on the QR code will be saved as searchable PDF, and that it will be emailed to the medical records email address. The message is both signed and encrypted for extra security. In conclusion, we have just demonstrated how easy it is to generate barcodes and configure inbound routing documents based on the selected barcode. All steps achieved directly from within ExtraFax, with no need for external barcode generation applications. We hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. To learn more about our products, please visit our website for more product information and additional tutorials. Visit us at www.extracomm.com.